Slow ins and slow outs. The best way to understand slow in and slow out is to think about how a car starts up and stops. It will start moving slowly, before gaining momentum and speeding up. The reverse will happen when the car brakes. In animation, this effect is achieved by adding more frames at the beginning and end of an action sequence. Apply this principle to give your objects more life. The texts in the video on the top start slowly to increase the speed. This is known as a slow out. At the end of the animation on the top, the text slows down or slows in to its destination and settles. The animation on the bottom is without any slow in or out. We can see what difference it makes after applying slow in and out. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.